take a look at a couple of other things that really set this machine apart. So the Snowrator itself, the base unit, is very, very valuable. But now you start looking at some of the accessories that we add onto this piece of machinery, and it expands the versatility. And obviously the first one I want to talk about is the big one right out front, is our 20-gallon auxiliary tank. So if you're an operator or a contractor and you have no interest in doing granular, but you are into that brine, this is what you want. Because remember, this machine comes with the 20-gallon brine tank as a standard unit. Now you add the 20-gallon auxiliary tank and you've got 40 gallons of brine for you to operate and maintain your property. So that's a fantastic feature if brine is exactly what you're doing. Next, I want to look down at the plow and look at 3 accessories we have for our plow to make you more efficient. So some of the accessories that we offer for the 4-foot blade for the Snowrator are a snow deflector, which goes across the top of the blade and actually knocks down snow from blowing over the top and obscuring the view of the operator. We offer blade guides as an accessory so that in deeper snow you can actually see visually where the edge of the blade is. And then we have our plow shoe kit. Plow shoes are a great option for areas where you do not want to dig up, like maybe soft areas or gravel, and it keeps the blade off of the pavement, avoiding any scarring or scratching of that surface. The Boss Snowrator trays are a nice accessory for the rear of the vehicle for carrying an additional bag of material, your lunch, extra set of gloves, anything that the operator needs to carry and transport from lot to lot. Now let's take a look inside the hopper itself. Right away as you open it up, you see it comes with a standard top grate, which obviously minimizes the large clumping material going in there. We also include the bag ripper as a standard feature. So you put the material in, which is very easily loadable from the top, split it with the bag splitter, and it falls right through the grates. In the bottom, we have a drum system, which actually rotates and pulls the material down, which is controlled by the electronic switch on the Snowrator. And on the side, we have an aperture opening, which allows you to adjust the opening in the bottom of the hopper to account for different size granular material. So the manual aperture opening on the side of the spreader is really what allows you to adjust for different size material. So by simply manually moving this on the side of the hopper, you open the bottom of the hopper up, allowing larger or smaller material to fall through. One of the key benefits of the Exact Path is this poly chute that directs the granular material as it falls out of the hopper down to the ground without laying the salt up on the plow frame itself. So again, you're getting much more efficient application of the granular material. You can also add the additional bucket attachments at the rear for carrying much more granular material. And now you add it all up and you have easily the most effective sidewalk piece of equipment out there to minimize your labor dollar and increase your profitability.